All right, this little song, I'm going to talk a little bit about this, called Memories of Camp Unalayee. It was a piece that I wrote about a very beautiful place up in the Trinity Alps. And when I played it up there this summer, I kind of explained to people how I wrote this song. I thought it helped quite a bit for them to, sort of enjoy the piece more. And so I'm going to tell you about these things. The first idea I had was to describe this beautiful Aspen Lake. No, it's not Aspen. Alpine Lake. And this is the Lake Lick. Okay, so every time you hear that, that means the lake. Now we will shoot around. Sometimes we'll be at the mountains and then we will just plunge back down to the lake. But that can make it fun. This is the trees growing and going high up into the sky. And then this next one is climbing the mountain. And of course, whenever you get to the top of the mountain, you're very excited because you can see things like you've never been able to see them before. And then, of course, when it's time to get back to the real world, microwave, refrigerators, all that sort of thing, it's time to say goodbye, and that's always a hard thing. And we tend to stretch that out as long as we can. So this is the goodbye. Okay, so those are all the sections, and one of the fun things about playing this piece is that you can play all those sections as much as you like. There is a little bit of harmonic relationship for you musicians out there. Mostly it's there's something on the tonic chord and then there's something on the 4 chord, and of course you don't want to leave out the 5 chord or else you'll never get back to real life, so of course you've got to do some 5 chord stuff. So, Memories of Camp Unalayee, one of the prettiest places I've ever been.